Now that I got that fixed, I was gonna do a few more things in here, and I've got a door right here that's sagging slightly. It's not rubbing at the top just yet, but I have just a small gap there, and when I push on the top of the door, I can see that that hinge is moving and it's loose, and I've got to figure that out. I want to get that thing tight and fixed. So if you want to watch that, keep sticking around and checking out my videos. I'm just finishing up this right here, and I'm not done until I put the towels back up here where they were before. And geez, I kind of forget. I think they were up at the top. I think they were up at the top like so. I may have to play the video back and see. I think they were like that. And then this one was folded over in the middle. Okay, there. Onward to my next project. Stick around and I'll show you what I do for this sagging door. Now, is there more than one way to fix a sagging door? Of course there is. And you've seen me fix sagging doors before, but you might learn something new if you check out this next video. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.